Hi, welcome to Raspberry Pi tutorial. Raspberry Pi is a credit card size computer in which keyboard, mouse and TV or monitor can be plugged. Raspberry Pi is capable of making electronic projects, spreadsheets, word processing and games. Raspberry Pi can also play high definition videos. Raspberry Pi has a system on chip which is Broadcom BCM2835, which includes CPU, GPU, DSP, SDRAM and USB. In Raspberry Pi, CPU is ARM1176JZFS, which is a member of ARM11 and it has a speed of 700 MHz. Raspberry Pi has 512 MB RAM. Raspberry Pi has video input, video output, audio output and onboard network. Raspberry Pi has also low-level peripherals as 8 general-purpose input-output pins, UART, I2C, SPI pins and power pins 3.3 volt and 5 volt and ground pins. Supported Raspberry Pi operating systems are Raspbian, Debian GNU, OpenLake, Fedora, Arch Linux, RISC OS and many more, which you can see on the screen. Raspbian OS is widely used in Raspberry Pi. One powerful feature of Raspberry Pi is the general purpose input-output pin on the board. These pins are physical interface between Raspberry Pi and outside world. There are two ports, P1 and P5, for general purpose input-output. On port P1, 17 pins of 26 pins are general purpose input-output and other pins are power and ground pins. On port P5, 4 pins of 8 pins are general purpose input-output and other pins are ground and power pins. GPIO pin can be programmed to interact with real world. To start Raspberry Pi, the first step is to prepare SD card. So you will have to download operating system for Raspberry Pi. To download operating system, go to Raspberry Pi website and click on download menu. Here you will find many operating system which is supported in Raspberry Pi. You can download any of them according to your age. Now download and install image writer in your laptop. When operating system download is completed, extract the zip file of operating system and run image writer and select SD card in device menu of image writer and browse the extracted operating system and click on right button in image writer window. As you click on right button, it will start writing operating system in SD card. Once writing process is completed, close image writer and eject SD card from computer and insert into Raspberry Pi. Now connect monitor, keyboard, mouse, LAN cable to Raspberry Pi. After connecting all peripherals, at last connect power supply to Raspberry Pi. As you connect power supply, Raspberry Pi start booting and login window appears. Now enter here login and password. Default login is Pi and password is Raspberry. As you press enter, Raspberry Pi command terminal appears. Now enjoy the Raspberry Pi. Thank you.